afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Good Food Made Better. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my cinnamon swirl banana bread loaf. That's really good, super simple. It's just like your basic banana bread recipe, except we are going to be adding in a cinnamon swirl. And that just makes it super pretty. It gives it that little extra pinch of flavor. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to be doing is we're going to take our flour, and then to that we're going to be adding in our salt, our cinnamon, and our baking soda. We're going to want to go ahead and whisk this up and make sure there's no lumps in our flour. Then we're going to be moving on, and you want to have your butter melted. Go ahead and put that into your stand mixer. Okay, then we're going to be adding in our mashed bananas. You want to make sure they're ripe, because when they are ripe, they are the sweetest. Okay, so let's get those in there. I like to leave some chunks in mine. I don't like to completely mash it to where it looks like baby food bananas. Okay, then we're going to mix this just until it's combined, the bananas and the butter. So now to that we're going to add in our vanilla extract and then our 2 eggs. I have let my eggs sit out of the fridge so they are not cold. They are room temperature. Let's get those in there. Once that's all blended up, we're going to start adding in our flour mix. Just make sure you break up all the chunks. Now to our flour, we're also going to want to add in our sugar. Whisk it again. Now that we have our flour mix made, we're going to go ahead and gradually add this into here. We don't want to pour all of it in there at one time because it will spew the flour everywhere. You want to help me? Say hi. Say hi to the camera, the people. Say hi. Hi. Alright, so to do this, I'm going to be using a 1/3 cup measure. You can just pour it in if you want. Alright, now once that is all mixed up, you're going to want to make sure that you get your loaf pan. I have mine right here. I've already sprayed it with non-cook spray. I like to do this. You don't have to do this. It's optional. But I'm going to take some of my cinnamon sugar and I'm going to sprinkle it onto the bottom of my pan. I do this because that way when you flip the loaf out of the pan itself after it's done baking, you get that nice golden cinnamon crusty layer on the very top. So our banana bread mix is all mixed up. It smells wonderful. Okay, so now you're going to want to take half of your mix, like that. Now we're going to take some more of the cinnamon sugar and sprinkle it on there. Then we're going to take the rest of it and pour it right on top. Now that we've got our batter poured on top, take our cinnamon sugar, the rest of it, and just lightly sprinkle it on the top. We're going to be taking a knife, just kidding, it's a knife, and you're literally just going to want to dip down and pull up. And then just kind of swirl it, going up and down as you go. Okay, so this is done. We're going to be popping it into our 350-degree oven. Take about 45 to 55 minutes. When it's back, we'll be done, and I'll let you know what it looks like. See you then. Alright, so there you have it. There is the banana bread with the cinnamon swirl. It smells amazing. You got this beautiful crust on the top from the cinnamon sugar that we put on the bottom of our pan. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy this one as much as I do. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment. If you love this recipe, give me a like on the video so that way I know that you like this recipe and I'll do more like this. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel for our new weekly videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.